Guys, join me pack my hospital bag at 38 weeks. So this is the bag I'm going to be using to pack in my hospital things. Alright, so let's go. This one is Pampers, wipes, and tissue for my personal use. Yes, I and the baby's personal use, okay? This one is mosquito nets, yes. So that when the baby goes to the, and when they put the baby in the baby cot, use it and cover the baby. To avoid mosquito. I don't want mosquito to beat my baby. Same bra and my panties, okay? Let's put that one here. And I'll be wearing. Alright. So I want to put it together with my undies. This is baby welcome home clothes. The clothes my baby will wear when we come back from the hospital. Let me show you clothes. It's Hasha. Okay? That's what baby will be wearing. This cap, mitten, shoe. I just love this clothes so much. And beep, and this is the bindan. Alright, this is what baby will be wearing for homecoming. I can't wait to meet my baby. Okay, this is baby extra clothes. I put it cap. This is baby arrival clothes. The one baby will be. Okay, this one is baby stockings, baby dressing towel, baby face towel is here. So this contains cotton wool, mucus extractor, hand glue, and delivery mats. What is this one here? This one is baby shop. Okay. This one is contains bindans, overall, beads, and baby caps. Yeah. This one I've already packed. This for the baby essentials, baby comb, the toe, my own soap is here, my cream is here, small blue seal, the toe, my roll-on, and olive oil with baby oil. That's what we have in this bag. So, okay, this one is baby bath. This thing was empty. I was not having project for any other bag. Okay. Wrap. So, yes. I need to try and squeeze this thing inside here. I want that hospital. My approved letter. I'm wearing. This is trust badge. I'm not going to stay long at the hospital. I'm going to deliver through video. So, if I give birth today, the next day I'm back. That's what I'm putting just two. But if there's need, I'll ask my husband to let me know. Okay, I've already mentioned this one. I'm just looking for where it will enter. Okay, okay, this one is baby glucose, baby cup, my toothbrush, and my purse. You know that once we give birth, the breast milk will not just start washing immediately. This is my fourth child, so I have that experience. So maybe we take water and with glucose first. Yes. This one is my bonnet. Guys, we finally enter. So this is for my personal things, and all this bag is small. That's the hospital requirements here. Tissue, we have their detergents, we have their delivery masks, we have ivory soap, we have the hospital stove, and the rest of them. So I'll just try this one and give them. But let's do your hospital requirements. Something is not enter here. That is my own homecoming clothes here. It's not enter here. So I might just put it in my handbag. I'm going to go for light clothes so that I'll just tie it in nylon and put it in my handbag. Alright. Cheers. Bye. Wish me safe delivery.